Welcome people, welcome back. You don't know it's your boy Kamani Brown, and they're back again with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Just like every year, I'm going to be going through the case and accessories that I would recommend to protect this expensive piece of technology right here. Of course, the basics is the phone case. So right off the bat, the best this year is not coming from Apple. Cue that scene about the whole introducing the fine woven case and the X sign, just to mark that. So this is not so much the star of the show. This is the Torras case. I mean, this is called UPro case, whatever. I guess that's make your stand, that's your slogan. Who cares? This is Torras. This is my go-to case company. This is not sponsored, people. Let me make that clear. I hope I do one day, but this is not sponsored. I love the brand. I love their cases. I use them almost every year to protect my phones. This is no different. I have to share this with you guys. This is excellent value for what it is. It costs about 30 something dollars. I think like 35, 36 bucks. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. But guys, I love this thing. No need for this. Not much need of specs. No need for that either. And QR code, whatever. And this. Before I get into that, I love this. You always get about like 2 sets of extra buttons. And right off the bat, these things are metallic. This is sweet. Alright, so metallic orange and metallic green. If you're Jamaican, you may think about the political parties, PNP, JLP, whatever. I'm not really into that stuff, but let's put that down for a second here. And let's get to the case itself. Alright, this is a very premium feeling case and very sturdy. So I went with matte this time because I made a mistake of buying a clear case last year, which they claim it has anti-yellowing technology, but you don't know, after a few months they turn piss yellow. You know that already. The brand claims to have cracked the code, but I'll test that later on. You don't know, you guys will see a video on that one when that time comes. But for now, this is where it's at, matte clear. I got it in gray because, well, I hoped to have gotten the raw titanium or whatever that color's name is. I thought this would have gone pretty well, especially with these gunmetal colored silver buttons here. If you guys have that color iPhone 15 Pro Max, I think this would match pretty damn well with it. It would look pretty sleek. But let's see how the phone actually looks in this for a second here. Alright, even though this is the blue titanium finish, it actually looks pretty fire in this thing. Like, I cannot complain. Actually, I was thinking to change the color of the buttons, but hell no. The gunmetal silver buttons actually match this thing pretty well. It's a nice contrasting color, and the phone feels pretty solid in my hands. Pretty well protected, yo. And let's have a look at the camera bump. Ooh, actually seems to be a nice healthy height over the camera bump, so these should be pretty damn well protected. I'm not really a believer in camera lens cap covers. Those things, I'm skeptical that they actually might degrade the camera quality, and they're actually much more fragile than the camera lenses themselves, so they always break on people. So yeah, screw that. And looking at the ports themselves, match up perfectly. Look at that. This is nice. Very premium feeling case. And they actually come in 2 other colors that I know of. Black, of course, and the blue, which I think would have matched this color better, but go figure, this thing contrasts very well regardless. And this is also another standout feature. This ring here, which doubles as both a MagSafe connector and a stand, an omnidirectional stand that can pretty much go in any direction that you want. If you want it to stand horizontally, there you go. You can actually adjust it to any angle as you so desire. You can have it right up right there, or you know, can bring it down as low as you want. Can actually put it in vertical position, or portrait as you would call it. I love this. This is actually pretty sweet, pretty cool. I actually think this is a better angle for the horizontal position. I love this, and it's very sturdy. No doubt that this will last a very long time. I don't foresee this getting loose anytime soon. And it actually has this satisfying click, and if you guys can hear that, satisfying click to close as well. And it's very firm. It's not rattling, nothing is shaking, nothing at all, not even the metallic buttons here. Solid case and another home run for Torras if you ask me. But you know what, just the hell of it, Let me change out these buttons here and see how this thing looks. And let's see how easy or hard it is to actually replace them. Oh, so this backing comes out. I'm just going to try the power button for a second here. It's a bit hard to pop out, but let's see how hard this is to get out of the case itself. Alright, very, very easy actually. You just push it right out. And there's a slot. There it is. Nice metallic gray. This looks so good with a raw titanium finish. But let's see, just simply push this in, just like that. You actually feel it satisfyingly pop right in. And that's it. That's how easy and simple this is if you want to switch it up. You know what? Just the hell of it. I'm gonna wrap this for a while. I'm gonna wrap this. I like this. Nice little accent, you know? So that's it, people. The Torras UPro case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I highly recommend this. It's a solid case. Like, I have no doubt that this will protect my phone for the year or years to come that I own it for. Of course, I'll be leaving a link to this in the description below for you guys to check it out. Highly recommended, people. Affordable, solid, protective, and way better than whatever the hell Apple is offering this year. Yeah, no fine movement. No fine movement. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, people. You don't know, I'll appreciate as usual a like, subscribe, and of course hitting that little notification bell so you know when the next video is out. See you guys in the next one. Peace and take care.